everyone. I'm Sean Rogers, lead for the Mr. Rogers Homes team and your Arizona Real Estate Wealth Building Connection. One of the questions we're asked frequently by people thinking about relocating to Arizona is there snow? Are there winter sports here? So I thought I'd put together a quick video to show you one of the most popular places to enjoy outdoor winter activities. And if you're thinking about relocating to the Valley of the Sun, make sure you see the link pinned to the top of our comments section, which contains a free relocation guide, which is absolutely spectacular. So just click that link and it'll direct you exactly through the process on how to obtain said relocation guide. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Well, if you're looking for fresh powder in Arizona, the Snowbowl is an alpine ski resort in the southwest United States located on the San Francisco Peak of northern Arizona, which is about 7 miles north of Flagstaff, Arizona. The Snowbowl ski area covers approximately 1% of the San Francisco peaks, and its slopes face west and northwest. It started about 83 years ago in 1938, and the base elevation of the Arizona Snowbowl is 9,200 feet above sea level. And the resort receives an average annual snowfall between 250 and 270 inches. The lift served summit at 11,500 feet yields a 2,300 foot vertical drop, and it is the largest in Arizona. And it is also serviced by 6 chairlifts and 2 lodges. Maybe this map of the Snowbowl will give you a better idea of its amenities and trails and just the overall feeling or look that it presents. I'm quite sure there's other information online that you can gather about this particular area, but I thought just giving you a visual of the different runs and lodges and amenities it has would help out.
Hello everyone, I'm Sean Rogers, Realtor and lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes team here in the Valley of the Sun, Arizona. If you're thinking about buying, selling, renting, or investing, please reach out to me. All of my contact information could be found in the descriptions of our videos below, and we'd be more than happy to get you moving. As always, thank you for watching our videos and supporting our channel. Remember to keep a lookout for other links to videos that we think you'll enjoy. Till next time, take care. God bless America. Talk to you soon.
This picture shows one of the 6 chairlifts that Arizona Snowbowl has, and following will be a couple of videos that I was blessed to have friends send in enjoying a weekend of snowboarding and skiing.
Yeah! What? Ow!
Well, I'll end with a couple more pictures of the Arizona Snowbowl. Hope you enjoyed them and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section and I'll reply as quick as humanly possible. Other than that, please take care. God bless America. Talk to you again soon.